Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this question on equilibrium of forces. It says a uniform beam PQ is 100 meters long. Let's take the diagram. Now here's a uniform beam. You've been told is 100 meters long, so I can tag this as my P and here as my Q, and it's 100 meters long. That is, this is 100 meters. Now we've been told that it weighs 35 Newton, and since it's a uniform beam, that is, the 35 Newton will act at the center of the beam. So I'll have this 35 Newton at 50 centimeters or 50 meters rather from P. Here is 50 meters, and also from Q definitely is going to be 50 meters since it's a uniform beam. Now, and it is placed on a support at a point P at a point 40 meters from P. That is, it's placed at a support here. Let's place this here. So from P, here I have 40 meters. Here I have 40 meters. Now, if weights of 54 Newton and F Newtons are attached at P and Q respectively, at P here, I have a weight of 54. Here's a weight of 54 Newton. And at Q also, I have a weight of F Newton attached to it. F Newton. Now I'm asked to calculate, correct to the nearest whole number, the value of F. Since we are to calculate the value of F, the next thing I want to do is know that this body is definitely in equilibrium. Then I want to pick my clockwise forces and my anti-clockwise forces. Obviously, here are my clockwise forces moving this way, and here are my anti-clockwise forces moving this way, and the sum of my anti-clockwise moment is equal to the sum of the clockwise moment. So I'll know that 54, which is 54 newtons, times between 54 newtons and the pivot point, the distance is 40. Here is 40, should be equals to, I'll have this, which is the weight, that's 35 newtons, and if from here to here is 50 and here to here is 40, definitely what I have left here is 10. That will be 35 times 10, then plus F now times, if from here to here is 50 and I have from here to here also is 10, definitely from here to this point should be 60 meters. That will be F times 60. So that 54 times 40, let's use my calculator. I'll be talking of 54 times 40, that's 2160. That's 2160 is equals to 350 plus 60F. So that's 2160 minus 350 minus 350 equals 1810. That's 1810 is equals to 60F. Definitely, F now will be the same thing as 1810 divided by 60, which is equals to 1810 divided by 60, 30.167. That's 30.167 in Newton. Now, but since the question wants me to calculate to the nearest whole number, I'll approximate my F to be the same thing as 30 newtons. That's 30 newtons. With this, I hope you understood how to handle this equilibrium of forces. I'll be glad you share your comments with us in the comment section. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in our next class.